Idora. Kela Pamara Purani, Tevada Mala, you are so beautiful, Pella Picavada. Taon, sandwich at Churton.
Why the fuck would you say that? I'm sorry for that because of weakness. You please get this.
Yeah.
Am I crazy?
Well, just
Your wife comes to the store.
Yeah, but
Wants to pick up a freaking sandwich.
Yeah, but
Is she crazy?
Yeah.
That she sits through these fucking compliments, these fucking creeps? Why?
They made a mistake.
This is not your fucking country. This is not India or something, dude.
Tell me, Cola Suko, and the table, happy, and you are so beautiful.
Right.
It is a generational thing.
Right.
In his generation, that would have been okay.
No, it would not have been okay.
They would have took it better.
Yeah.
It would have not been okay.
Yeah.
It is never okay to speak to a woman you do not know and talk about her looks.
Listen.
There is a difference in class.
Listen.
There is a difference in respect. There is no difference in generation.
Listen, you made your point, man. They've learned a lesson.
There did Balomo, Dito at the Taiweda, but Mala, you are so beautiful near Balomo, Naki. You chumula where Tapuira when you dark had it a lurze. No, I mean, had there either Taiweda and a Teveda, Yamala, you are so beautiful, but no, like in the battery in Willow, the Lola.
Crazy person.
No.
We had it had the Udata Ilo, but not
I
anyone.
don't need to talk to anyone. When he comes, I expect one of you guys to explain what I have said.
Pamarapuna ki chumota lotakle the baba moteani. I don't meet you up pomula bar, no, Mirmila Clemcoa, Jani Tilla, Numitella, you're so beautiful at the Muma. Takari will have Puira, will have Puira in the why she at all on a tell you are so beautiful. Wow, Jani Capuito, I know. The Chomodile, for me, ten Mala, you are so beautiful in a Capuira.
Yeah, they understand. Don't
Manager Ranibaki Kanya, where I let by you, where I let I look at Duroma.
Just for future sake, for
Right.
your own self.
Right.
Please don't do that to anyone. Because I'm a very nice person. You will someday see a motherfucker that's not as nice. You know what I'm saying?
Right, absolutely.
There's some crazy people out there.
Right.
And this is Kansas.
Yeah, one second. You were thinking some other way, but I didn't read like that. I just
You've already said out of your own
Yes,
mouth
leave it
how
alone.
you agreed to
Don't.
whatever you
Then you quick and yaggy, we are no quick and yaggy, they earn a matter with one mala, oh, we are. Tell her you are so beautiful, me there, and tell her you are so ugly, we are.
I do appreciate you.
I'm sorry, I really don't want to do this in front of everyone.
I do appreciate you. It's our problem.
Stop there. I don't want anything. I'm not that type of person.
So, Chumo Saibo Madapunia, Lud Jejimono, but me a Chumo Jaleno, when he boy help with that, would I want to let tell her you are so beautiful, the Waraga the alert jeji, but then a matani at the Chibadi Mimon again, a tale we are no yet the silent day Matako dini the Pava Lakini Liriki, but they read Mitala Baba Willomo, ba when he to the saplo, Yichumo Wainik about Miller. Ba could I let it over at the bonu a clamono, Pertupata, and Niva mono. Dito puede, but Mihala Clamco, the Dito de Yawadi Migino, Wamitella, you are so beautiful, Mala. But Quam Lotame Mala say the blow will on tear, Dito. Petinyala at the Baba, Nakita Lula, pe ilu Saba mono, but me take it check dakiola, when it a lotera diba, not the riba, the Crabani will on me, no. Huni, Tichumodile. But me, Tevera, the mammy, but me tetila, you are so beautiful, me, take it, chedile. Yeah, you meet Teva, you are so beautiful, I may put it, you are so ugly, Newilla.